Welcome back to New Vehicle Media, your go to channel for electric vehicle news and updates. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to see more similar content like this. Automobiles as we know them date back to the early 1900s. However, we have been burning fossil fuels at an alarming, almost negligent rate for over a century. We have only seen the electric vehicle market take off in the last decade. All of these, however, are powered by massive battery packs buried deep beneath the automobile that are hundreds of times larger than the battery in your current smartphone. Have you ever wondered what happens when a car reaches the age of retirement? For many of us, a ban on gasoline and diesel cars is rapidly approaching, which means electric cars will become much more popular on our roads. In Britain, an initial aim of 2040 was pushed back to 2035, and recent reports say Prime Minister Boris Johnson is considering a move as early as 2030. Other ambitions include Norway and different European major hubs by 2025, 2040 in Taiwan and Germany, and 2030 in India, Israel, the Netherlands, and France. A total of 8 US states, including California and New York, have committed to achieving zero car emissions by 2050. For decades, batteries have been an integral feature of automobiles. It is the power that is used to start the motor and ignite the engine. However, these are a distinct sort of lead acid battery, and more than 90% of these batteries are currently recycled, leaving very little trace. This contrasts with the shockingly low 5% of all lithium ion batteries used in electric vehicles. That's correct. 95% of these batteries are never utilized, which has a negative impact on the environment. Electric vehicles are still in their infancy, with experts estimating that 10 to 15 million tons of lithium ion batteries will have been dumped by 2030. With internal combustion counterparts, I'd have years of catching up to do. However, Hyundai, BMW, and Renault have all committed to repurposing unused batteries into energy storage systems for applications such as power grids. On a worldwide scale, isolated incidences of batteries being repurposed are starting to appear. Nissan is putting lamps in place, Chevrolet is supporting a data center, and BYD, a Chinese automaker, is using retired EV batteries for energy storage. Hundreds of instances of applications may be found all around the world, but the race is on to develop a standardized system that can be used by all automakers. And with his electrical sector expertise, Elon Musk perhaps? Tesla is currently dismantling batteries in order to recover valuable metals and properly dispose of any residual pieces. However, this is on a very limited, localized basis, with batteries primarily originating from its own manufacturing plants, such as obsolete R&D models. But why should we be concerned about the environmental impact of batteries in the first place? Isn't it possible to simply recharge them? Not completely. When a battery ages chemically, it loses capacity, resulting in fewer mileage and worse performance in electric vehicles. MS, which mixes lithium with nickel, manganese, and cobalt, and Nokia, which switched to manganese for aluminum, as utilized in Tesla's method, are the two principal battery types employed. These resources, like fossil fuels, are finite, meaning there is only so much of each on the globe. So the best choice is to conserve and reuse them. Furthermore, because cobalt and lithium are mined in the Democratic Republic of Congo and South America, it's likely that the vast majority of machinery is driven by filthy fuels like gasoline and diesel. The goal is for battery recycling and, as a result, manufacture utilizing recycled materials to become cheaper and easier over time, allowing companies to reuse components used in their batteries several times. Although battery manufacturing has a significant environmental impact, Tesla CEO Elon Musk estimates that the 550,000 Teslas on the road have saved enough fuel to avoid 4 million tons of CO2 from entering the planet. In addition, the company has generated 13 and a quarter terawatt hours of electricity from 100% clean and renewable sources, including 3.5 gigawatts of solar panels installed. Only around 40% of his energy, 5.26 terawatts, was utilized in creating extra clean energy by Tesla cars on the road. By offsetting environmental disadvantages, Musk is buying time. Customers share their stories of minimal battery depletion on the internet. We're talking about a few of percent over nearly a decade. And his company already anticipates battery packs to last 3 to 500,000 miles, well exceeding most automotive lifespans. However, on the path to a million miles of longevity, the firm recently made a breakthrough with the development of a new battery design that is being prepared for the first time in a car. A battery is made up of several layers of energy storing chemical molecules. For an electrical engineer, though, the revolutionary tablet design allows electrons to travel this distance. This is a thrilling experience that might be taught in future scientific classes. However, it represents a higher energy density for the ordinary user. It also means less metals are required per mile of charge for the environment. The first step in addressing the environmental implications of batteries is to create the most energy efficient batteries possible. However, the batteries used in some of the original Teslas are nearing the end of their life, and Tesla needs to start thinking about how to achieve maximum sustainability. So far, the company recycles what it can and responsibly disposes of the rest. Elon Musk, the company's CEO, has proposed a closed loop system in which materials cycle through several stages of life before reincarnating as the next battery. A closed loop system is proposed. Retired batteries will be mined for lithium, cobalt, aluminum, copper, and steel. Drivers can be certain that not only is dumping rubbish in landfills unethical, but these valuable metals are also very expensive to dispose of. As a result, recycling is more cost effective for businesses, assisting in the prevention of landfill expansion around the world. Even if Tesla were to dump the batteries, we're told that all of the materials employed are harmless and safe. Lead. Tesla batteries have never been made with mercury, cadmium, hexavalent chromium, PCBs, or PBDEs. Nonetheless, removing pieces from a product that has been meticulously put up must be a difficult process. According to some estimates, the cost of entirely recycling a lithium ion battery is around $1 per kilogram. An 85 kilowatt hour pack costs around $650. Yes, it appears to be quite costly at the time. However, as with any technology, prices are pushed down as time and new breakthroughs pass. There is currently no globally accepted standard for recycling lithium ion batteries. However, a closed loop system, or one in which no new materials are introduced for the same number of cars, is being developed. Tesla is one of the first automakers to lay the groundwork for a net zero strategy. Would you consider purchasing an electric vehicle from a company that recycles its batteries? Subscribe to the channel for more videos like this, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell icon so you don't miss out on our latest uploads. And lastly, leave a like as it will really help our channel out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.